Tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. नाभि चक्रे काय व्यूह ज्ञानम. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on Navi Chakra, that is Manipur Chakra, gives the knowledge of anatomy and the structure. The Navi Chakra is a central glandular organ of navel, a plexus. It is called brain of the abdomen. Fetus is fed through navel and all links are connected to this portion. This is the center and a balance of body, and when pivoted at this point, there occurs a perfect balance. The powerful gland has 16 connections, sends chemical signals to brain at stalks of fear, pain and pleasure. From the exercise, there gains a knowledge of metabolism, disorder, 7 tissues, that is dhatu, 5 winds and connection to mind and organs. कंठकूपे शुद्ध पिपासा निवृत्ति ही. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on guttural thyroid absolves from thirst and hunger. Kurmanadya Sthiryam. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on Kurmanadi gives stability and hold to all systems. This is psychological. Below thyroid, there is a tortoise-shaped glandular link. This is a life-holding and system establishing neural link. It can be compared to the holding system of the snake. The snake, when entered half inside the hole, cannot be pulled outside by even full might. The snake hold at the hole is not only physical but it is mental. The iguana, when tied to a rope and climbs to get a hold at cliff, it as firm as anchor that a cliff rider can safely climb at mountain. This is mental power of iguana. Murdh Jyotishi Siddha Darshanam. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on Murdhva Jyoti. You will recognize a person possessing extraordinary powers. At head, there is a cavity called Brahmarandra, a pituitary gland and 1,000 links plexus called Sahasrar Chakra. Concentration on this gives an ability to recognize the gifted people. Pratibhadva Sarva. The intuitional insight makes yogi to understand everything mentally without physical application of any kind. Hriday Chitta Samvit. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on heart gives the knowledge of mind. Sattva Purushayo Ratyanta Sankirnayo Pratyaya Vishesho Bhogaha Pararthanya Swartha Sanyamat Purushadnya Nama. The mind and perceiver are two different. Mind is hardware and the perceiver being software, both independently cannot perceive and endure pain or pleasure. Sattva, Raja, Tama. Sattva, Raja, Tama are the properties of the duo. When mind and perceiver are in the process of perception, perceiver is the owner of mind and the operator. Mind is machine. The knowledge about these two appear to be undivided, but the properties Sattva, Raja, Tama deliver the endurance as obligatory for perceiver. The properties create no result of either their own, but they perform as obligatory for perceiver. Here mind is machine and the perceiver is driving the property Sattva at the machine for perception. Perceiver is in coordination with mind, develops sentient that perceives pain and pleasure. Whatever is perceived is stored in memory, because without memory of perception there will be no endurance. The Sayyam, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi on obligatory bond of perceiver at property Sattva, Raja, Tama gives the knowledge of perceiver, Drashta, Purush. ततः प्रतिभ श्रावण वेदना दर्शास्वाद वार्ता जायन्ते. Restraint or Sayyam, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi on this bond of the perceiver gives higher sensitivity at all five sense organs. Number one, becomes genius, listening becomes sharp, eyesight becomes powerful, smelling ability increases, touch becomes more sensitive, taste becomes more wide and deep. ते समाधाव उपसर्गा युत्थाने सिद्धया. All above six superpowers obtained by mind are interruption or hindrance for absorption or samadhi. The student on achieving the superiority in senses feels glorified and gives up further learning. The student therefore should not stop his further learning. बंध कारण शैथिल्यात् प्रचार संवेदनाश्च चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः. The mind is bound by various inbuilt transactions on deeds and properties do not allow any freedom. But when all the bonds are released due to the non-involvement of self, chitta or mind is able to travel to another body. I am of the opinion that hypnosis must have been indicated through this sutra, because through hypnosis you can take the control of somebody else's body through own mind. This is psychological.